Saturday. Good morning, scholars. I hope you're having as great a day as I am having. All right, next week, the last week of school before Christmas. Yes, I love Christmas. Here's our objective. 5.5. I will create conclusions about the structure and elements of drama and provide evidence from the text to support my understanding. All right, we're doing my favorite objective. We're working on dramatic literature. Oh! Did you see the drama? Want me to do it again? Dramatic literature. Ah! That's what we're doing this week. So there's a few vocabulary words I need you to understand. This is the first. The first word is drama. Drama is a form of literature meant to be performed, just like I did earlier. It's also called dramatic literature or plays. The next word is stage directions. Stage direction is all the information besides dialogue that a playwright puts in a script. It includes the setting notes, entrances and exits, and descriptions of characters' actions or feelings. The next word is props. Props. They're different objects that are on the stage or that characters carry while they're on the stage. And the last vocabulary word is costumes. Now, costumes are the clothes that the actors wear for their parts to make them look like the characters. For example, in social studies, we're dealing with different colonies and different time periods. And if I wanted to look like those people in those time periods, I couldn't wear this. I would have to change my clothes and put on a whole different set of costumes. So we've gone through dramatic literature last year in 4th grade, so you've got so much knowledge. But now in 5th grade, we're going to step it up and learn more. So now what I want you to look at is your homework. So this is your assignment. I want you to create a scene about getting ready for Christmas. And I know that's what you guys are doing now. What are you doing at home? How are you getting ready for Christmas? So you're going to create that scene about getting ready for Christmas. You must have at least 2 characters, stage directions, and prompts. That's only 2 characters. You can have as many stage directions as you want, and you must also have props. And you're going to send that to me through Ms.Owens.com. You know how to do it. Go to contact. You're going to create that scene. You only need 1 scene, and you're going to send that to me. Also, you're going to send me the definitions for the vocabulary words that I just explained to you. So go back and look at those. Rewind the video. Go back. Look at those vocabulary words, those definitions, and you're going to type that up and you're going to send that with me along with your stage directions. So you might be wondering, if you're new to Kelso Elementary and you didn't get the fabulous Ms. Owens last year, how do I create a scene? Well, here's a good example, a visual example of what a scene looks like at the start. Now you have your cast of characters here, and we'll talk more about that on Monday. These are the characters that are in your play. And then as you say each and every character, you have it written in bold. That's a graphic feature with those colon marks, and then they say their lines. And then when another character speaks, you have their name written again in bold, the colon marks, and then they say their lines. Now, if you want them to do something, like here goes a stage direction, they put it in parentheses, and then it's in italics, and it says start to cry. So I know that this character, boy alone, is starting to cry. And they're going to have a dialogue between each other. And so that's kind of what I want to see you send me. It's very great. I want a lot of action. I don't want to hear, when I read it and I have someone else read it to me, I don't want to hear a boring scene. I want to read something that's exciting and invigorating. So make sure that you really focus on that. And then the last part of your homework, I don't want you to forget to vote, vote, vote. We are having a point of view project competition going on, and it's on my website. Go look under the homework tab. You need to view all those videos and vote which 3 categories, which group in all 3 categories is the best. So go on, check that out, vote. Remember that there is a pop quiz on Monday on the plot components. And then lastly, study and practice the dance for the Christmas performance that we will be having on Wednesday. I will post up the video under homework this evening. So check back this evening for that video and it will be posted for you to practice. Lastly, don't forget that on this Tuesday, we're having our Parents' Day. So parents, come out and be in school with your children to learn the objectives that will help them over Christmas break. And then you'll get a chance to teach them. You'll get a chance to talk with us. You'll get a chance to have a lovely picnic with us. And then all my GT scholars, deadline for magnet school admission is December 19th. And on Tuesday, we'll be helping your parents sign you up for that. All right, have a great weekend.